Okay, today we are making lunch the way broke hunters and swamp rats have been doing it for 100 years. 1 cup, one fire, and some questionable ingredients. This is Po' Boy's swamp stew, and if this don't taste good, we in trouble. Let's go. Hey gang, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy. Welcome back for another edition of Canteen Cup Tuesday. You know, the recipe today is something that was suggested to me by one of my Discord members, and everybody is welcome to join the Discord. There's a link in the description below. And I had never thought of this combination before, but what he did is he took either pork and beans or beanie weenies. I got beanie weenies because I like weenies. I don't want to hear no cracks about that statement, although I guarantee you that I'll get some. Because I like weenies in my beans. And what he did is he mixed them with a can of just regular old sliced potatoes in the can. And he said it was pretty good. So, hey, I never wanted to doubt someone on one of their recipes. So we're going to get this going, and we're going to try out the new beer can stove burner simmer ring today. So I know you're going to want to see that. So let's get started. Okay, so here we go. We got 2 cans of beanie weenies. Bam. And we got 1 can of regular old sliced white potatoes from Publix. I think I'm going to do the potatoes first. So we're going to put them in there. And wow, there's a lot of them. To kind of boil up the potatoes. All right, well, I'm just gonna do the whole thing and see how it works. So let's get this stove going. I might have to put some more water in there. Okay. Stove going. There. I'm going to put just a little more water in here. Now, I don't have the simmer ring on now because I want this to boil to kind of cook up these potatoes. Yeah, that's going. Okay. Put that right on there. And I'm just going to set the top on. And we'll come back when we cook in. All right, let's check out our taters. All right. They're not boiling, but that water is pretty hot. All right, yeah. Let's see how tender they are. Not bad. Okay. I'm going to take these off, let this stove burn out, go drain these potatoes and get ready for the beanie weenies because the beans got a lot of juice too. We're not going to need that water. So I'm going to get these off. Okay, we got our taters drained here, and they kind of mushed down. It's about a half a canteen cup full, which is exactly what I wanted. So now we're going to put the beanie weenies in, and they got their own juice. Oh. Got to get every weenie out of there. I want the juice. I want to kind of get in there. All right, this is looking pretty darn good. I didn't know where my buddy on the Discord got this idea, but luckily we got 2 cans of beanie weenies. So here goes beanie weenie number 2. Oh yeah, I love it when a plan comes together. Okay, now that's a lot. That's almost a whole canteen cup. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to relight the stove, and I'm going to see if we can get a simmer and cook this for a few minutes rather than the blast furnace. So I'm just going to take this off, put about another half in there, alcohol in there, light, you stupid thing. There it goes. Okay. Now I'm going to wait till the stove kind of blooms out. It's really hard to see an alcohol flame. I can hear it. Drop our simmer ring over and drop our stove over. Now the stove's only burning from the middle now, so that should burn for quite a while. So put that on there, come back in a little while and see if it's hot. All right, we've been simmering for a couple of minutes. Let's see how it's working. All right, I can hear it sizzling in there. Ooh, yeah, our fire's still going. Oh man, the simmering, you guys, is working perfect. Jeez, ooh, this is looking good. See how the ring goes right around the beer can stove? And we're only burning from the middle. We're not burning from the flamethrower jets. And because we're not using the flamethrower jets, it's making the alcohol last longer. So, oops. All right. This is warming up. Not good. I'm going to let this simmer as long as it takes to get hot. And then we'll be back. All right. Let's see how our concoction's doing here. I can hear it cooking in there. I can hear it kind of bubbling. Ooh. All right, it's starting to bubble at the top. Oh, that's perfect. I can't believe how my simmer ring works. You guys, the simmer ring is working exactly how I wanted it to. See, the juice is coming up to the top now. Let's see how it's warm. Warming up nicely. That's going to be good. Starting to get a little steam. Okay, a few more minutes and we'll be ready to roll. All right, I think our stove is just about to go out, but I think we are nice and hot in there now. Ooh, yeah. So we're going to take this off. Whoo! See how it tastes. Nice and hot. The stove is just about to burn out. The simmer ring is working perfectly. It's just a little bland, so we're going to use our bushcraft spice kit. What I have replaced the Altoids tin with this little thing from spider on there. The little thing from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and we're going to throw some spices in there. This is either onion powder or garlic salt. I don't really know which one it is, but we're going to put some in there because it's kind of bland. Ooh, that didn't. I have to crush that up a little bit. Okay, that was garlic salt. I think this is going to be our onion powder. Okay. How's that? Wow, that gave it a lot more flavor. Whew. Ooh, onion powder and garlic salt. All right. But what would Canteen Cup Tuesday be without our old friend Cristal hot sauce? And y'all know me, just a drop. All right, let's see how that does. Ooh, man, that looks good. Let's see how it smells. Oh man, that's good. Tiny bit more. All right, because this is a big canteen cup full. All right, let's go up and try this. Okay, so the stove with the simmer ring was still simmering. So I just stuck the Canteen Cup back on there for another 5 minutes, and it's almost out. The simmering works perfect. If you don't know what I'm talking about, in the upper right hand corner, I'm going to put a card to that video a couple of videos ago to show you how I made the simmering. But let's get the Canteen Cup creation. Sliced potatoes in a can, and 2 cans of beanie weenies, some spices, and some hot sauce. And once again, our wonderful Dollar Tree cutlery set. Let's see how this is. Man, it's hot enough. Onion powder and garlic salt and hot sauce. Who knew? Po' boy swamp stew. That's what we're going to call this. It's actually pretty darn good. The potatoes are nice and hot, and they're nice and soft. And the beanie weenies are nice and good. There's a weenie right on the end. Ooh. Man, that's hot. The simmering worked great. You guys are going to see a lot more about that. But problem solved on the simmering, and we got lunch. Po' boy swamp stew. Once again, if you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give me a thumbs up down below and leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me what recipe you want me to cook up. Hell, I'll try it. I ain't got nothing to lose. But once again, with Po' boy swamp stew, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy, and I'll see you on the trail. All right, here's another happy camper with the last remnants of Po' boy swamp stew. This is my brother's dog. Damn, he likes it. That's awesome.